Welcome back to video number 3 of our delicious recipes video series. Now you have the option to either proceed to setup or you can skip to dashboard. So if you click on proceed to setup, you will have options for 3 separate settings. The first is appearance settings. The second is permalink settings. And the third one is additional settings. We will go through each of these settings one by one in detail in the upcoming videos. So for now, I'm going to click on skip to dashboard. And here you'll find the link to complete your delicious recipes activation. Click on it. So you can either click on allow or continue, or you can simply skip this step. I'm going to skip it. And here are the global settings of Delicious Recipes plugin. As I mentioned before, we will go through each of these settings one after another in a separate video where we will also explore these settings in detail. But before we go through these settings, it is important that we create our very first recipe. There is no mandatory rule of creating a recipe before you can go through these settings. You can easily go for these settings even before creating any recipe. But just to ensure that you understand what each of these options are for through demonstration, it's best that we create a recipe first. So we will navigate back to our dashboard home. Now, before we start creating our recipes, there is a crucial step that you would not want to miss, and that is to configure the recipe page templates. Now, we will assign various page templates to the respective pages. I will show you the benefit of doing this in a moment, but since this is a very crucial step, please do not miss this step. To assign the page templates, you have to go to Pages, click on All Pages. You have to assign the page templates for recipe cooking methods, courses, cuisines, keys, and tags. To assign the page templates, it's very easy. Click on Quick Edit option here. From under Template, you have to choose the page name. So the page name and the title is Recipe Cooking Methods. From under Template, you have to select Recipe Cooking Methods. Then you have to click on Update. We will do the same for Recipe Courses. Click on Quick Edit. From under Template, we will assign Recipe Courses page. Select Recipe Courses and click on Update. We will follow the same process for cuisines, keys, and tags. Let me explain to you the benefits of doing this. On recipe page templates, all your recipes assigned to that specific recipe taxonomy are displayed. For example, we will head over to our demo page, and if we go over to the courses page template, you will see all of the recipes that belong to different courses are displayed under them, such as dinner, drinks, lunch, non-veg, dessert, breakfast, and so on. And if we go over to cuisines page template, it is the same. The recipes that belong to particular cuisines are displayed on the recipe cuisines page. So this is the benefit of assigning the respective page templates. If you still have confusion about this concept, make sure you drop your question down in the comment section below. But you will also understand this concept as we keep on going on with our upcoming videos. For now, let's go back to the home page of our demo page and we will go back to the dashboard. Now that we have finished with doing everything that needs to be done before creating a recipe, in the next video we will create our very first recipe.